Yeah, so here's my rescue rig. Go ahead and turn that, yeah, all the way. There you go. There's the steering. Okay, go ahead and do a little bit. Give it a little bit more gas. There you go. A little bit more. %, throttle, that's pretty good. Yeah, she's a fast mover. All right, Bob, show us some maneuverability here. Go ahead, low speed. Yeah, there you go. Make another turn there. Sweet. All right, so that's it. Good sea trial.